If you want to record the screen of your iPhone 17, then what you need to do is we need to go to the control center like this. Now over here you might be able to find the screen recording button or control, but there is a high chance that you don't have it by default. So we're gonna tap on this plus button in the upper left corner and then go to add a control at the bottom. Now look for screen recording and then you can tap on it in order to immediately add it to the page. You can also grab by this corner over here, on this side, and this thicker line, in order to make it wider. And then we can tap anywhere outside in order to stop editing. And now we can just tap on the screen recording button. As you can see on the dynamic island, we have the countdown. And there we go, we are now recording the screen. If you want to stop recording the screen, you should be able to tap on the dynamic island, and then over here, as you can see, we have the stop button. You can also just go to the control center instead and tap on the screen recording button again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.